Now someone might ask, why wouldn't you just want to take clippers to the head? And you can. This video, however, is a tutorial on scissor over comb. I love doing scissor over comb. Again, it's about this is about the artistic preferences that I have as a hair artist. Some people prefer clippers, and if that's you, that's great. I think it's good to be I think it's good to be able to do both. And so it doesn't hurt to practice scissor over comb, and it doesn't hurt to practice clippers. So if somebody's asking, why wouldn't I just use clippers from the beginning? Well, you can. You definitely can. And if that's how you prefer to attack the haircut, then that's fantastic. That's great. I find scissor over comb to be very fun. For me, it's one of my favorite favorite techniques to execute in hair artistry. And so, although I like using clippers, I enjoy scissor over comb more. And well, since I'm the artist and you're the artist, you get to choose which technique you prefer to do. So in this case, we're doing scissor over comb.